Tell me now, who are the Fulanis terrorists to invade Yoruba land and start killing Yoruba people? If not because of one Nigeria. This is Okocha Happy Marcel. Good evening, everyone. All right, today is Tuesday, March 11, and this protest happened today. And as I do ask a lot of people questions, when is all these things going to end? This is Yoruba land. 20 people were killed yesterday. Today, 7 people were adopted, the same state. So these people have right to protest the way they are protesting. This is not acceptable at all. Look at the kind of penury people are going through. Now, if you ask every average Nigerian, what is the solution to this? They will tell you that it's just the separation of this country. Tell me now, who are the Fulanis terrorists to invade Yoruba land and start killing Yoruba people? If not because of one Nigeria. The earlier you people realize this is better. Every day I am here telling you because of posterity's sake. Internet never forget. Next 50 years, your children will remind you, either you are a father or you are a mother, they will remind you of dad or mom. Why didn't you speak out? Why didn't you advocate for us to leave this entity? Because I wonder the kind of life you are living for your children. I wonder the kind of destiny you are living for your children. Now, because some places, okay, because some people have not been affected, their mother has not been killed, their brother has not been killed, and they think that, oh, everything is okay, let's just be managing, let's just be pushing. Anyway, it is going to be a lot of, bad days ahead. Now, it is breaking that protests erupt in Akure after kidnappers adopt 9 surveyors in Ondo State. I want to use this article to really expatiate what really transpired so that you will get the full taste of this news. Kidnappers suspected to be Fulani terrorists have adopted 9 surveyors in Ondo State in a fresh wave of kidnapping rocking the region. This development has sparked protests as demonstrators storm Akure, the Ondo State capital. The adoption reportedly took place at Owode Indu Abo in Akure South local government area. The victims, all surveyors, are said to be native of Akure. Carrying black cars, protesting women blocked the popular Oba Adesina Road in Akure, demanding action from authorities. According to The Nation, Comfort Afolabi, a sister of one of the kidnapped victims, revealed that the 9 surveyors were adopted last week. She further stated the kidnappers had demanded 50 million before they would begin negotiations for their release. She added that the kidnappers have now placed the ransom at 100 million before they will release their victims. Kidnappings have been on the rise in Ondo State. Last week, a farmer and his manager were adopted while returning from their farm in Oba in the area. Sahara reporters previously reported that no fewer than 20 people were reportedly killed after bandits invaded and sacked 4 communities in the Akure North local government area of Ondo State. The affected communities, which include Aba Andajido, Aba Sunday, Aba Pastor, and Ademekun, were attacked on Sunday midnight, forcing residents to flee for safety. Sources had suggested the death toll could be much higher, with one resident claiming that over 40 people may have been killed, while many others remain missing. The attack started last Monday, but the most severe assault happened on Friday night. The bandits struck while the people were asleep, opening fire indiscriminately. Many ran into the bush, while some were not lucky, the residents recounted. He added, security forces arrived on Sunday and recovered some bodies, but many are still missing. If they search further, more corpses will likely be found in the bush. The Ondo State Police Public Relations Officer Fumi Adonlami confirmed the attack, stating that an investigation had been launched and officers had been deployed to restore order. The matter was reported on Saturday that Aba Pastor community was attacked. The command immediately swung into action to ensure normalcy and to track down the perpetrators, she said. The regent of Ademoku community, Princess Adenowo Adekemi Sonda, revealed that 14 people were killed in her community, Ondo. This is what is happening in Yoruba land. Let me know what you think on the comment section. I am Okocha Happy Marcel.
No. Now they were demanding for 100 million. We were even negotiating with them that they should please. We only have 10 million, they said no. So they make a week if they were kidnapped. Please, we are here now to show our interest. Please, we have governors, we are helpers. The governors should rise and help us. We are helpless, we don't know what to do. The man is shit that the kidnap is like. The man is on the hospital. He's being hospitalized. Please, we are begging. Let Akura people help us. Let Akura people help us. Please. bàbá tó dànù sínú hospital ló wà ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá wa jáde ẹ bá wa bẹ̀ wọ́n kó tú wọn sílẹ̀ ọkùnrin mẹ́sàn-án wọ́n ní ìyàwó wọ́n bímọ àfi 50 million bẹ̀bẹ̀ wọ́n ní wọn wọ́n lọ́dọ̀ mílíọ̀n mẹ́kù ní ìlú àbò wọ́n ti kó wọn òṣìṣẹ́ sọ̀fíà ni wọ́n o abẹ̀bẹ̀ o ẹ ṣàánú abiyamọ ẹ ṣàánú o bàbá ẹ̀ka ẹ ṣàánú o wọ́n ti wọlé sí wa lára o ìjọba ràn wá lọ́wọ́ o àwọn ènìyàn wọn bọ̀ lọ́nà ẹ ṣàánú o ẹ jọ abẹ̀bẹ̀ lórúkọ abiyamọ ìjọba jáde sí wa. Ilé láti dá sí màá ní ibẹ̀ yìí. Etí kùn ọ́ bí? Etí kùn ọ́? Etí kùn ọ́ bí? Bàdé yìí.
End of the day, you see, they will kill people unnecessarily. See, every day, okay. You see, forget that this same Ondo, it was the creator of Amotekun. So it's a base, it's a headquarters. Now there they relax. So the government, see, Akeredolu was a turn to their flesh. At the end, the president, you know, say the president man there.
Yeah.
Fulani are bastard human beings. They wicked, they get wicked. See, if we wake up our eye, we will close and bang, they will finish us with the Sarah. Then we could change them for them. See, Nigeria can live a pass of those. Nigeria will have fame. The fame go wicked. You see, we be lying on me, I be lying on you, be lying on God. Say, you keep God command. Because Nigeria too like God. That's why Nigeria they play every day. God go answer us. At the end, they are killing us. But one day we will say, no, enough is enough. And that day is coming. Go and mark it 2027. Nigeria will revolt. Say, no. Now, we don't see your 4 years. You punish us. Punish her. Punish me. You punish us. So why will you come again and punish us? Then Nigeria will not split it. Because Nigeria will split. They watch the film. Oh, bless you for that question. When you say the youth are right, the youth are totally 100 above % right. See, they are see, now you can't wait for any government. Government is responsible of those massacres. See, when you say, where is government? Where were they when they came? At this spirit, they disappear content. See, when we are saying Fulani, it's time we do away with them. See, but the government is not sincere. See, I give kudos to those youths. Don't wait for any government. When they say take money to your hand, take anything that you want to protect and protect you and your family and your community and your neighbor. Because when we are waiting for government, at the end of the day, they will wipe up the whole community. Can you imagine four community invaded 20 key, and where is the government? Where is the government? Where, see, now, see, the power here lie on the president. Because at the end of the day, the government will tell you that, okay, na power from above. Who's power from above? Okay, Makinde, the other day, what do you want? Makinde say 10 kilometers away, they are coming, and now they are already established. They say they have many camps in Yoruba land. See, they say, I read one thing yesterday somewhere, somebody give me a phone. Satan Sokoto, he say Fulani expert to capture Nigeria in no reach 1 week. But the problem of them, the obstacle now, Igbo. Yes. You see that language, and I sit down, and I remember, and I memory, and I say, okay, Igbo, because Igbo are lion more than them. Yoruba, they take things granted always. The neighbor say that me they are and you, but you know that at the end of the day, you see, they will kill people unnecessarily. See, every day, okay. You see, forget that this same Ondo, it was the creator of Amotekun. So it's a base, it's a headquarters. Now there they relax. So the government, see, Akeredolu was a turn to their flesh. At the end, the president, you know, say the president man there.
Yeah.
Fulani are bastard human beings. They wicked, they get wicked. See, if we wake up our eye, we will close and bang, they will finish us with the Sarah. Then we could change them for them. You see, we are you have the capacity. Don't wait for any government official anymore. Because government, if you watch the memory line, government deal with them. See, they get information more than me and you now. Why will somebody come here and stay? You give him a space to live peacefully. At the end of the day, you now have sophisticated weapon than you. You not kill you at any time. And we are clapping, saying that government want to do and our federal. See, don't wait anymore. Let our youth come outside massively and tell Nigeria that enough is enough of killing of Fulani X-Men in our different communities. We are tired of them. We are tired of them now. You see, the president now, because of the body language of the 2027, you see what is happening now. Everybody now want to do election. They want to forget about our life. See, their days are numbered, all of them.
So what do you think the South governor and the Southwest, you know, Southwest governor recently, they had a meeting, you know, among themselves, the 6 Southwest governor. But, you know, up to now, we've not gotten anything meaningful from that meeting. This thing that they've won them.
You see, let me tell you, see, you say Southwest. That is where we are here. They make a meeting. When I say they make a meeting, okay, what is the outcome? See the lesson they throw for the meeting now. Those see that meeting, they never keep like this. See, say one say, see, Fulani would like to do something. Fulani no will retaliate. He will give you some long distance. So now we go give ourselves long distance to acquire the information and safeguard our territory before they throw away. See, they throw away now. Before 20 die, you know how many people die? Can you imagine that kind of casualty? Before government will not mention 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 20 dead. How many when one uncountable house is destroyed?
And we don't even know.
Why? See, It's time we are playing with our life and our identity and our future. You see, it's time we do away with this type of political talk. Let us stand and say enough is enough. Let us community and police our community. Because now youth never be future tomorrow. They go relax, say, now lie, wake up and fight for your right. It's a fundamental human right. Protect yourself. Don't wait for any government. Because let me tell you one thing, the real truth now is that don't wait for government to say you want to call police, so you take law into your hand. Days are gone when you go say take slow until they finish your community. See, the president particularly have a long way to play here now. But now, because he want to be your gakata forever and ever, he's shifting hand. You know, don't you know say shifting hand? It's shifting hand now. If you bring in hand reality, why I not go do like this? Why I not go do like this now? Now for your village they keep now, they are keeping your region now. And you say you want to be 2027, they march PDP, they march Labour, they want to turn everybody to APC, to you to win, and you are killing people every day. Is that leader? It's not leader. Let us be frank with ourselves. It's not leader at all. I give credit to the youth. Any youth for Southwest, Southeast, any indirectly interference of your peaceful environment, for your freedom,
and peace.
blocks them. Boss them. Don't wait for anybody. Wait for your own self, because you have to take it on your own. Because you want to defend yourself. Nobody will defend you anymore. Now is their own language. They want to throw us out. Before they throw us out, let us make it a confirmed battlefield. And then I believe nobody will win me for my papa land. It's not possible. It's not possible. So let the Southwest wake up too much. Make them wake up. Nobody say wake up, nobody should talk. Now action. Governor say the kilometer. They do meeting for Lagos. All of them laugh. They go home. Now people die.
Okay, now now with this, ranch where cattle and when this Fulani Ondo used to go born now. Do you not think say the Fulani go come back again, come re-attack them after some time again?
You can see now they don't born her now, so they have to take the care of their self. Nobody just only today and tomorrow or next tomorrow. Future awareness, security alert, and keep them checkmate them. Don't give them any space, because those people they will believe say they don't forget, they will come, and when they come a problem, so you have to follow them. See, we have to change our whole rotation. Nigeria, because Fulani X-Men, according to what I read, they want to enter the whole of Nigeria and pursue Nigeria out. So that's why they cause hungry. Now when you were the fear to go farm, I want to go see food chop. You understand? They rape children, they rape women, they rape you understand for farm. They kill, imagine, see Edo State, my whole village. See, it's getting out of farm. So the president is responsible for all those things.
Don't send anything.
And when Jonathan did, they be like this. When Jonathan did, they want that man be the major general. Wow, you Igbo man. The floor is now bomber to bomber. When Pastor yourself did, they be like this. But now, paddy. Now that's why paddy now. He said, fella, let Anikola for my godfather. He said, now bad society. You go do a bekegbe with Fulani. Fulani now kill people every day. You know they look like say you don't know, and you will fuck up. You say want come back. You don't come anywhere. See, the time is negotiated. It's hierarchy. It's on the wall, and we know where we are going. We are tired of killing people every day, and we have president, we have governor. Their hand are full because of what they want to chop. It's bad, woman.
Tinubu know they talk because of 2027 election.
I know. Okay, now you want to chop the whole money for the whole world. You see, let me tell you one thing. Come 2027, they are failed. They fail. Nobody will come back on their house and point any hand, any finger point in their party. They are wrong. They are VIP. They call them vagabond in power. They don't care for me and you. They care. They go somersault security men. Say, no, enough is enough. Protect my people and wipe any invader out. But now nobody wipe anybody out. Everybody killing you, Sarah, because somebody want to be a president of 2027. You keep quiet. The whole governor they shout. You don't know say you don't enter in truth. But since that time, any federal government assistance, you are hearing more casualty. Where is the government? Where is Jagaba? Where is the lion of the body long? Now you now get there. Why you now live there? You now pocket them, give them millions of dollars, pounds sterling, and you say they should keep quiet and make you a president, and they only want to give the land, they are killing. See, let me tell you one thing. We are tired of their story. That's why I like Nigeria. Come 2027, whether Tinubu like I may go do heaven and earth, and like we must change hands, because if we continue like this, they will finish us. They will finish us now.
But what of it when the people come vote? The government in power see mandate saying that them want
that see they hear what happen for Kenya. You hear what happen for Côte d'Ivoire. You don't hear the Bagbo. You don't hear what Kabila. You don't hear the Baba. See, Nigeria can leave a pass all those stuff. Nigeria will have fame. The fame go wicked. You see, we be lying on me, I be lying on you, be lying on God. Say you keep God command, because Nigeria too like God. That's why Nigeria they play. Every day, God go answer us. At the end, they are killing us. But one day, we'll say, no, enough is enough. And that day is coming. Go and mark it 2027. Nigeria will revolt, say, no. Now, we don't see your 4 years. You punish us. Punish her. Punish me. You punish us. So why will you come again and punish us? Then Nigeria will not split it. Because Nigeria will split. They watch the film. Except they no go think say they want to do another wayo. Because wayo now we see now, wayo no get, you no get A, you no get B. You don't even get positive, not negative. Can you imagine see that 30 today? You don't have freedom for anywhere. Let us checkmate about them and now. How many years when this government in power they rule? No peace environment, no freedom, no life. Upon the suffering, no food, nothing. You are still killing people. Come from nowhere. See, they know disappear now. They know see Fulani man. If you see Fulani man, you can easily differentiate it from Igbo man and Yoruba man. So how long they can't take come? When they can't take circulate, can't take get power, can't take kill people for community. No be one, no be two, no be three. Before 4 community, no matter how long. See, we are tired of this story. Every day negative. Let us take law into our hand and do the realistic that we preserve our life and our children life, because the government, they are not capable of even taking care of us to protect our life.
Okay, lastly, what you are talking about, the government say they're not capable. Do you not think if they're not capable, so what is not the point of we calling ourselves one Nigeria? Do you not think that time we we look at the aspect as regards the, and do you not think that time we look at division, since they cannot really protect the life of
you don't tell one only hear division. You understand? So they just carpet us, food us. But now I don't they open more and more. You understand? You can't compare 2025 and 2010 or 1999. Now you see when the military era self, where nobody even pray for all those kind of situations, because Nigeria was saved then. The government power, they have that responsibility of protecting life and property. That is the kudos to the military. But before they now left 1999, we now see democracy. It's like we now say democracy, demonstration of craziness. It's a demonstration of craziness. So that's a way for Africa. As time they go, now fuck up now. Because we don't want military, we want democracy. What have democracy done? They bring division of humanity, division of tribe. We are not one anymore now. We kill ourselves, we fight ourselves, we have to say we die. Can you imagine somebody go say, it don't happen, say they don't keep us for Ondo. Because say, be Yoruba. You will say, it don't happen, say they don't keep us for Benue. Because say, be Benue. You see, we have to shift this thing aside and let us be one. Because government, they are responsible for our division, and they are responsible for anything that is not good to us. So I believe 2027, the youth will rise in one voice. And that voice will checkmate the iniquity that we will be facing. We will be facing wickedly. We will face bad things now. Can you imagine what is happening now? Can you afford to live low? Can you afford to feed low? At the end, no security, nothing. So it's a panorama wickedness. It's a panorama wickedness in high places. But I believe that days are number, and that days are number, and it must be number. You can't say tomorrow night go here on that place, you don't kill on that person. How long? When we get soldier, our soldier now be the highest for Africa. What is that duty? The duty is not to protect. The way now you say you keep crying for somewhere now, they will not demote soldier, say it will happen. You understand? So president, he get the responsibility to play, have a very big role to play in this maintaining of peace in all around of Nigeria, everywhere. But politically selfish agenda, they keep quiet. The God will never keep quiet.